that noise? I don't know what that noise means, but anytime that noise comes on, it means that my car is going to shut off as soon as I hit the throttle. Alright, I'll let you see. You know? You hear that whining noise? Okay. Now watch this. Yep. See that? It just turned off. Now there's no whining noise. You hear there's no whining noise? You see it's gonna work now. I honestly do not know what the fuck is going on with my car. I don't know if it's the battery cables, but I plan on taking out the amplifier because the previous owner installed an amp to the back of the car that's not connected to anything, but I think it might be blocking the cable. So I'm gonna try that out and give you guys an update. Yeah, it's fucking annoying. Bye.